Picture a budget as your financial roadmap, a projection of your income and expenses over a certain period. It's not just for corporations or governments, but for you and I, aiding in the management of our finances efficiently. Step 1. Gather your financial paperwork, including bank statements and bills. Step 2. Calculate your income. Remember, it's about what you actually take home. Step 3. Create a list of monthly expenses. Be thorough. Step 4. Determine fixed and variable expenses. Fixed ones remain constant like rent, while variables such as dining out fluctuate. Step 5. Total your monthly income and expenses. If income exceeds expenses, you're on the right track. Step 6. Make adjustments to expenses. Look for areas to cut back. Finally, Step 7. Review your budget regularly. Changes in income or expenses can affect your budget, so keep it updated. Remember, budgeting is not about limiting your spending, but gaining insight into your financial habits.